Emergency broadcast. All viewers are advised to take immediate precautions. Recent broadcasts contain content that may have significant effects on the hippocampus and inferior temporal cortex. Exposure to this material could result in vivid hallucinations, altered perceptions of reality, and temporary disorientation. For your safety, we strongly recommend avoiding all television and radio broadcasts until further notice. If you encounter any unusual sensations or visual disturbances, seek medical assistance promptly. Remember, this is a real emergency alert, and your well-being is our top priority.